Okay guys, this is how you make a paper airplane really, really fast. First, you fold it like this. But you need to make it creased. Make it nice and creased. Then you fold it from triangle like that. To that. There. When you have it like this, fold your triangle down. Then put one triangle like that and one triangle like that. Don't worry guys, we'll cut the tip off at the end. And then when you have it like this, this is not the best paper airplane I've made, but fold it like that. And then fold your other paper like that to make that triangle shape at the bottom. At both sides. Then you take the triangle shape when you get it looking like this, kind of. This is not the best paper airplane, but it's good. Then you fold it like this. And then you fold it down. See if I'm doing this right. Okay, yes. And then you fold the other side the same way. I'm using very thick paper, so it's kind of hard for me. I'm gonna get it looking like kind of like this. Cut the tip off, because that's what you do. You gotta cut the tip off. And you got your paper. Here. Let's see where it landed. Right there. And I was just gonna show you guys another paper airplane that's really hard to make. I can't find it really. Right here. So here is one that my dad made for me. I got the video. It goes really fast and high. It broke a world record. I'm gonna do this. Mommy, can you hold my camera? Make sure it looks at me.
Oh, I can't tell. Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna see if it.
Bunk.
But we're gonna try that again. I want to try that again.
Whoops.
So it landed right there. Yes, I think it landed. Where did it land? Where did this thing land? No, I throwed it one more time over.
I know, but I'm thinking it's back here somewhere.
My lens is dirty, guys, so it might be. Sorry, guys, but I'm cleaning my lens. Too many fingerprints. Sorry, guys, but I'm gonna go clean my lens. Bye.